Absolutely. So, 2025, we are hearing a lot about agentic AI making a lot of things quite autonomous for everyone. Apart from this, I see a live intelligence where you are kind of integrating not just AI, but you're integrating biotechnology and a lot of other pieces in terms of sensors and others, so that you can actually get all the experience that as we as humans get and drive a lot of intelligence from it. Also, I see reasoning and reflecting becoming a very important capability to kind of help both AI and humans to make better decisions. And AI being pervasive in everything that we do, right? So not just some of the tasks which are getting automated, but everything that we do, and it is a layer which kind of taking time to be in, where we are seeing this wonderful next growth as both the technology and how we are using it is evolving. From anybody who's kind of getting into AI or already into it, I would say focus on the business problem, understand the domain really well, and bring that expertise. Also, I would say that there are a lot of things which are available. So leverage all the resources which are available for you instead of reinventing wheel every time. So get everything which is possible to be leveraged and then build on top of it, and focus on shaping the future, both shaping the future in terms of advancing the technology and also shaping in the future in terms of bringing in, solving in for the critical problems and bringing in ethics and, how do we want to govern AI in